If you're using Google Docs, awesome, great, fabulous, cool, all right, and you need to save as a PDF, and you're not sure how to do it, we'll go over to File, and I got of course different options I can do here with downloading and sharing and all kinds of cool things. Let's use the download, and you can see Microsoft Word, Open Document, or RTF, PDF document. Let's do the PDF document here. Save it. All right, and it's already got desktop selected, so I know that my place to save is good to go. If it wasn't, I could click here or any of my drives. And it's taken the title there, so I'm going to just make a quick adjustment. Colorful Melodies. Let's go Concert Paper, and we'll save that to the desktop. This is Colorful Melodies PDF. Let's click it. Wow, cool, right? Good to go on that. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Professor Ron, and I'll see you in the next one.